Alright guys, we're unboxing the new De'Longhi Magnifica EVO coffee machine, automatic espresso. I owned the coffee machine before. That was the Gaga Animal Classic, and that thing gave me so much problems, so much trouble. From day one when I first started using it, it gave me a lot of trouble. When you put grain coffee in the chute, and it's just filling up the whole machine and just gunking it up. Okay, what comes with it? The quick guide startup menu. You have the manual, water test strip, have a scooper for the whole grain coffee. We have a milk carafe. This just twist open, pop open, you pour your milk inside of there right before you get ready to make your milk beverages. There's the water filter. And you have some descale solutions. Yeah, your water container, the hot water dispensary. You just plug it in and it's ready to go. So we're gonna get this thing set up and put the filter in, add the water, and we're gonna get to making a couple of drinks. Quick setup, you want to go ahead and get the machine started. Going through the cycles. Okay, it's ready to go. These are the controls. You have the My Latte button. We have the cappuccino. We have the espresso. We have the over ice option. And we have the hot water. These are the strength of your beans. Cleaning for your milk carafe. You have your settings button and your power button. That's for the grind coffee override, where you just put one scoop of coffee in there and you can override it without adding the beans. That's the bean chute. And let's get this thing started so I can make a drink and then see what I think about it. Now to make a milk drink, you just want to pull this water sprite out. You want to insert the milk carafe. And to undo it, all you have to do is push the button and pull out. Now, you have 13 different grind settings. So we're going to add the coffee beans, put this setting on, put it on 3. Now this covering don't have any kind of seal, so it might be kind of loud and noisy. Now the thing about this My Latte button, you can add the amount of milk you want in it. Whatever the amount of milk that's in this carafe, it's gonna empty the whole thing. If you want to stop it, you just press the button again and it'll stop it as far as filling it up. Now when it clean, you don't have to take the milk out. You just press that button after a milk cycle and it'll run water through this tube, but it won't mess up the milk that's inside the carafe. So you don't have to take the milk out to clean it. You can just press the button and the water will come through here as it forces the cleaning cycle. Let's make a latte macchiato. I was expecting this to be real noisy. listened to it online. They was acting like it was noisy, but it's not noisy at all. Actually, my anime was actually a little noisier than this machine, so. Nice creamy milk. Now that look very nice. In my honest opinion, I can drink this without any sugar added. So I'm very happy with this machine. We're gonna do one more drink. We're gonna make an espresso shot, and so you can see what it's like. Then we're gonna close out this video. But this is very good. Very creamy, nice texture. Very happy with it. And this just gonna be an espresso shot, one shot. See what we come up with. Guys, this is very good coffee. My settings was on 2 beans. I could have went higher. I just want to kind of test this out, but yeah. Nice creamer. Nice temperature the way I like it. Let's give it a try. That's very smooth, very rich. I can actually start drinking coffee without sugar, to be honest with you, and I'm not a black coffee drinker, but I can really drink this without sugar, and that's no lie. Now, one more thing I want to show you before I end this video. This milk carafe, you just push in the button, pull out, then you can just insert the water spout. And then just slide in. That dispense hot water. And yeah, that's it. So I hope this video was helpful for some of you guys who out there was trying to decide should you buy this machine. And I'm very happy. I will leave the description of how much water it holds, the bean hopper and all that. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Take care. Peace.